Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the IHG app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. IHG is a hotel booking and rewards app that allows users to search for accommodations, view room details, make reservations, and manage IHG Rewards points. The app integrates features like mobile check-in/out, itinerary management, personalized hotel recommendations, and exclusive member rates. It also supports syncing across devices for a seamless travel planning experience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is appreciated by frequent travelers for its easy booking process, clear interface, and loyalty program integration. Users can quickly find available hotels, compare prices, and earn or redeem points for stays. Many users also value the ability to manage itineraries and access member-only perks on the go. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional syncing issues, limited hotel availability in certain regions, and minor glitches with reward redemption. Additionally, while the app is generally user-friendly, advanced features may take some exploration for first-time users. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the IHG app may be worth using if you frequently book hotels and want to manage loyalty rewards efficiently. It shines in convenience, personalization, and seamless rewards tracking. However, if you rarely travel or prefer alternative booking platforms, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.